Quick question. If I told you a table is made of wood, made from wood, made with wood, and made out of wood, do those 4 sentences all mean the exact same thing?
Because the answer is no. And if you've been using these 4 expressions interchangeably, you've probably been saying something slightly wrong without even realizing it.
In the next few minutes, you're going to learn the real difference between all 4 and you'll never mix them up again.
There's even a quiz at the end, so stay with us till the finish.
Let's get into it.
Floating topic bubbles.
Grammar, fluency, speaking, listening.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Speak English with Learn. I'm Liam.
And I'm Sophie. Today, we're tackling 4 expressions that look almost identical. Made of, made from, made with, and made out of.
And the tricky part is, they all follow the exact same pattern. All of them can be followed by a material. Wood, metal, plastic, glass, anything.
You could technically say made of wood, made from wood, made with wood, or made out of wood. And grammatically, none of them look wrong.
So, how do we actually tell them apart?
That's exactly what we're breaking down today. Before we start, quick favor. If this helps you, please subscribe to Speak English with Learn.
Alright, let's start with made of. With made of, the focus is on the core material. And here's the key. You can still see the original material.
Give me an example.
Think about Lego bricks. What are they made of?
Made of plastic. You can literally see the plastic. It's just being molded into a different shape.
Exactly. Or the table is made of wood. You can see the wood right there.
Or the vase is made of glass. You can clearly see the glass.
Simple enough so far. Now let's move to made from.
This one means something was transformed into something completely different, so you can't see the original material anymore.
That's the whole difference. Made of, you can see it. Made from, you can't.
Perfect example. Think about trees and paper.
Paper is made from trees, but you'd never look at a sheet of paper and see wood in it.
Right, there's been a huge transformation. Another one. Wine is made from grapes.
You definitely can't see the grapes once it's in the bottle.
Exactly. Now, made with. This one focuses on the ingredients or the different parts used to make something.
So it's less about the core material and more like it has this in it.
Right, like this pie was made with fresh apples.
Or this sauce is made with real tomatoes.
There's actually a nice extra use too. You can use made with for something less physical, like effort or care.
Like, this podcast is always made with a lot of care.
Exactly, or made with love, or made with you in mind. Don't forget to like this episode, by the way.
Nicely done. Now the trickiest one, made out of.
This one focuses on the core material too, but with creativity involved. It's similar to made from, but with a twist.
Give me an example.
Imagine sculptures made from old flip-flops.
So you can't see the flip-flops as flip-flops anymore. They've become art.
Exactly. That's why we say made out of old flip-flops. Real creativity involved.
Here's an interesting one though. Sometimes made out of works more like made of, if the material is still visible.
Like a house built from old shipping containers. You can actually still see the containers.
So you'd say, This house is made out of old shipping containers. Similar to made of, but with that creative twist.
Let's do a quick review before the quiz. Made of. Main memory. Little or no change. You can still see it.
Made from. Same idea, but a lot of change. You can't see the original material anymore.
Made with. An ingredient or a part of the whole thing, or something more abstract like care or love.
And made out of. The main material plus creativity.
All right, quiz time. I'll give you the situation. You pick the right expression. Ready?
Ready.
A sandwich. Bread, meat, and veggies.
Made with. So a sandwich is made with bread, meat, and veggies.
Question 2. This bag. Old jeans.
Made out of. Because it's creative, this bag is made out of old jeans.
Question 3. Cheese. Milk.
Cheese is made from milk. You definitely can't see the milk anymore.
Question 4. A necklace. Pearls.
Made of. She's wearing a necklace made of pearls. You can see the pearls clearly.
Now a bit harder. No hints this time. Glass. Sand.
Made from. Glass is made from sand. You can't see any sand in it.
Cake. Flour and eggs.
Made with. Cake is made with flour and eggs. Those are the ingredients.
This bridge, steel beams, and you can actually see them clearly in the structure.
Made of. This bridge is made of steel beams.
Last one. Local people, a bridge, bamboo.
This one has an extra piece. Local people made a bridge out of bamboo, since it's original and creative.
You got every single one right.
Honestly, seeing them side by side like that made it click. Made of, you see it. Made from, you don't. Made with, it's an ingredient. Made out of, material plus creativity.
That's the whole method. 4 small expressions, but each one tells a slightly different story.
If today's episode helped clear this up for you, please like this video, subscribe to Speak English with Learn, and share it with someone learning English too.
And drop a comment for us. Tell us one thing around you right now and describe what it's made of, made from, or made with.
We read every single comment. Thank you so much for being here today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye everyone.